I came underneath here and wiggled the ECU. Somebody I know made a video about the solder cracking. I was gonna scope it, but then I'm like, you know what, I'll just check the ECU, and then if I don't see anything wrong, I'll just back probe the ECU. But what I did find was this big guy right here. You see the crack going around it right here, and like when I was wiggling on it, it seemed like the change. I linked to a video to Bernie Thompson's video where he scoped it and got it to act up, and he did a pretty good job. Now I was looking at these other ones. I don't see cracks, but I didn't like the way some of these were. Let's see if it'll show up on camera. Don't know if these will show up on camera.